Do you feel tired or do you feel energized? Feeling tired is a sign manifested in the physical body that something's not in alignment with your highest self or highest timeline. If you're feeling energized, it's usually a sign manifested in the physical body that you're exercising your presently desired actions. When people, things, or feelings change your physical energy levels instantaneously, this is a subconscious manifestation that you're allowing external forces to influence your path. Either develop your awareness or exit the contributing factors. This is how you take back your state of being.